Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing concrete inputs, 10 niche concepts that attract advertisers and explicit buyer intent. Once done, pull 3 top competitor videos and extract title and description keywords to seed research. Next, open Google Keyword Planner plus a YouTube SEO tool like vidIQ or TubeBuddy. These tools give search volume and estimated CPC, vital for CPM prediction. While you set these up, create a simple spreadsheet to log keywords, volume, CPC, and intent so you can compare results quickly. Now perform targeted analysis. Paste your seed keywords into Keyword Planner and record monthly searches and CPC estimates. Make sure to filter for CPC above $1.50 and volume over 500 searches. These indicate higher CPM opportunities. Then cross-check each keyword on YouTube search results to see what video formats rank and whether ads appear on those videos. Also use vidIQ to check competition score and note long-tail variants. Once you have this filtered list, prioritize keywords by CPC times intent, not just finish by validating your top hits. Run small tests with /B thumbnails and titles to confirm click-through and watch time signals. Then outline 3 video scripts focused on strong commercial intent, placing mid-rolls where engagement stays high. Make sure to optimize metadata for chosen keywords and include product or topic-specific terms to attract advertisers. If CPM stays low after uploads, troubleshoot by pivoting to adjacent high-value keywords, improving retention, or targeting a narrower audience to increase advertiser relevance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.